Sanjay Bhatia, a resident of Tilaknagar in Delhi, like many others, lost his source of income during the pandemic. Not having anything to do for almost 6 months pushed him into a state of depression. However, what he did next is nothing short of inspirational. When the lockdown was announced, the restaurant where Sanjay was employed as a chef closed down, and the owner decided to keep it shut since it had stopped being viable to run the establishment. He says, "We cater to many of the college students in the greater Noida area. Once the lockdown was announced, colleges shut and students made their way to their own homes, and that impacted our business a lot." When asked how he managed to tide over the period, he says, "With a lot of difficulty. There was a well-wisher who helped me financially, and that took some of the burden off me." It was at the insistence of his mother, wife and daughter that he managed to find something to do once again. He says, "They were constantly supporting and encouraging me to start something on my own. They knew I was a good cook and in their own way keep urging me to utilize that talent." People around him did come forward to help. On 3rd September 2020, Sanjay launched his own chaat stall for a rent of 8,000 per month. It took me close to rupees 30,000 to set it all up, which I did not have. I had to borrow it. At the stall, one can get dahi bhalla, bhalla papdi chaat, tawa bread, stuffed tikki for rupees 60 a plate and vegetarian burgers for rupees 40. As of now, Sanjay makes between rupees 8,000 to 10,000 a month and says that slowly by the word of mouth, people are seeking out his stall and coming there. He is helped by his wife, Rajni Bhatia, who also comes to the stall every day once the work at home is done. "What I can assure you is of quality and taste. These are two things I do not compromise on," he says. Sanjay sets up his stall at noon every day and says that by 11 am every morning, he is at the stall getting things ready for the day. He and his wife are usually at the stall until 9:30 pm. On some days, I manage to sell all the food, and then there are days when I am unable to make much of a sale. It's a struggle, but I am so glad to have a job that provides me with an income, he says. Sarabjit Singh, a food blogger who discovered this food stall, first says, "What I found heart touching about this story was how Sanjay picked himself up and decided to work on something. Stories like this instill hope that there is almost always a way out of the sticky situations. You just need to be persistent."
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.